how to renovate your kitchen in Ajax, on. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen in Ajax, Ontario. Kitchen renovations have never been so exciting. Not only can you improve your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics, but you can also increase the value of your property. With all the resources and professionals available in Ajax, you'll be cooking up a storm in your dream kitchen in no time. But before you dive into your renovation project, you need to have a clear vision. You'll want to think about the layout, style, and features you want for your new kitchen. It's like designing your own culinary masterpiece. Now, here's where the fun begins. Find a contractor or renovation company that can make your kitchen dreams come true. Check out local business directories like the Ajax Pickering Board of Trade or the Ajax Business Network. Don't be afraid to do some research and interview potential contractors. You want someone with the skills and experience to whip your kitchen into shape. Got a kitchen that's in serious need of a makeover? Well, look no further because we've got the perfect recommendation for you, Mhomarino. These guys are the cream of the crop when it comes to construction companies in Ajax, Ontario. Trust us, they're top-notch. Check them out online at https://mhomarino.com or give them a ring at 1-416-704-1917. It's time to turn that kitchen nightmare into a dream come true. So, get ready to transform your kitchen and turn it into the heart of your home. It's time to take your cooking game to a whole new level.